The captain of a modern container ship watches monitors displaying real-time data about wind patterns, ocean currents, and vessel performance. The ship is not just following a predetermined course. Artificial intelligence algorithms are continuously analyzing thousands of data points. The AI is calculating the most fuel-efficient route considering current weather conditions and ocean dynamics. The ship is making intelligent decisions about speed adjustments and directional changes. This represents the new generation of maritime intelligence transforming how vessels navigate and operate. Shipping companies are investing heavily in artificial intelligence technologies. The maritime industry is experiencing a technological revolution. Understanding how ships are getting smarter through AI reveals the future of maritime automation and autonomous vessel development. Today we're exploring artificial intelligence in shipping, machine learning algorithms, autonomous navigation systems, sensor technology integration, and the timeline toward fully autonomous commercial vessels operating globally. Artificial intelligence in maritime shipping has evolved dramatically over the past decade. Early implementations focused on optimizing fuel consumption. Modern AI systems handle route planning, weather prediction, and predictive maintenance simultaneously. Machine learning algorithms learn from historical voyage data. The algorithms identify patterns that human captains might overlook. AI systems process millions of data points from multiple sensors across the entire vessel. The computational power required for real-time analysis has become economically feasible. Cloud computing enables data analysis that would have been impossible a decade ago. Shipping companies are deploying AI to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. The technology represents significant competitive advantages for early adopters. Insurance companies are beginning to recognize AI-optimized vessels as lower-risk investments. The AI revolution in maritime is just beginning. The potential efficiency gains are enormous. Fuel represents the largest operational expense for shipping companies. AI-optimized route planning can reduce fuel consumption by 5 to 15%. For a large container ship, this translates into hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings annually. The financial incentives drive rapid adoption of AI technologies across the industry. Autonomous navigation systems represent the frontier of maritime AI development. These systems integrate data from GPS, radar, sonar, and optical sensors. The AI processes sensor data faster than human operators. The system maintains awareness of surrounding vessels and obstacles continuously. Modern autonomous systems can detect smaller vessels that traditional radar might miss. Computer vision systems analyze video feeds identifying hazards and traffic patterns. The integration of multiple sensor types provides redundancy and enhanced situational awareness. Autonomous navigation can maintain optimal speed and heading for extended periods. Human operators currently supervise autonomous navigation systems. The supervision ensures safety and handles unexpected situations. Eventually, fully autonomous vessels will operate without human intervention on routine voyages. The transition will occur gradually with increasing automation over coming decades. Machine learning algorithms continuously improve through accumulated experience. Historical voyage data from thousands of ships trains the AI systems. The algorithms identify optimal routes for different weather conditions and seasons. Predictive models forecast weather impacts before they occur. The AI recommends course adjustments that minimize fuel consumption while maintaining schedule compliance. Shipping companies share anonymized data to improve shared AI models. The collaborative approach accelerates algorithm development. However, proprietary algorithms developed by individual companies provide competitive advantages. Large shipping companies are developing their own AI systems. Smaller operators purchase AI services from specialized software companies. The software-as-a-service model is becoming increasingly common in maritime. The democratization of AI technology is enabling broader adoption across the industry. Sensor technology integration is critical for effective AI maritime operations. Modern ships are equipped with hundreds of sensors monitoring various systems. Engine sensors track fuel consumption, temperature, and pressure continuously. Weather sensors measure wind speed, wind direction, barometric pressure, and humidity. GPS and inertial navigation systems provide position data with high precision. Radar and sonar systems detect surrounding objects and underwater terrain. Hull-mounted sensors monitor structural stress and vibration patterns. The sensor data streams to central computing systems processing the information in real time. The integration of sensor networks creates the Internet of Things on ships. IoT enables preventive maintenance alerts before equipment failures occur. Predictive maintenance reduces unexpected breakdowns that could delay cargo delivery. The cost savings from prevented failures often exceed the cost of AI system implementation. Weather prediction and routing optimization demonstrate practical AI benefits. Traditional route planning relies on historical weather patterns. AI systems access real-time weather data from multiple sources. Satellite imagery, weather station reports, and ocean buoy data feed into prediction models. Machine learning models identify subtle patterns in atmospheric pressure changes. The AI predicts severe weather development hours before traditional forecasting. Ships can alter course to avoid storm systems entirely. The route alterations add minimal time while avoiding dangerous conditions. Fuel savings from optimized routing to avoid weather provides financial incentives. Reduced exposure to severe weather extends vessel lifespan. Insurance claims related to weather damage decrease with AI-assisted routing. The risk reduction benefits both shipping companies and insurers. Autonomous collision avoidance systems represent critical safety applications of maritime AI. The international collision regulations require vessels to maintain safe distances. AI systems continuously monitor nearby vessels using AIS data and radar. The system calculates collision probability and closest point of approach. If collision risk develops, the system alerts the bridge crew immediately. The alert provides precise maneuvering recommendations. Some advanced systems can execute autonomous evasive maneuvers. The automation provides faster response than human operators. The reaction time improvement reduces collision probability. Maritime collision avoidance systems have already prevented numerous accidents. Full autonomous implementation will further reduce human error. The transition from assistance systems to full autonomy will occur gradually. Predictive maintenance systems represent another major AI application in maritime. Historical equipment failure data trains predictive algorithms. The algorithms learn which sensor readings precede component failures. Vibration patterns, temperature trends, and pressure fluctuations serve as early warning indicators. The system can predict equipment failure weeks in advance. Maintenance schedules can be planned, avoiding unexpected breakdowns at sea. The ability to plan maintenance reduces emergency repair costs. Repairs scheduled during planned maintenance are substantially cheaper than emergency repairs. Extended equipment lifespan results from careful monitoring and preventive care. The financial benefits of predictive maintenance justify the AI system costs. Modern ships increasingly incorporate predictive maintenance systems. Cybersecurity represents a critical concern for autonomous maritime systems. AI systems require constant connectivity to function effectively. The connectivity creates potential vulnerability to cyber attacks. Hackers could potentially compromise navigation systems or operational controls. The maritime industry is developing robust cybersecurity protocols. Encrypted communications protect sensitive ship data. Multiple layers of security authentication prevent unauthorized system access. However, the balance between connectivity and security remains challenging. A disconnected ship cannot benefit from cloud-based AI analysis. Too much connectivity creates security risks. The maritime industry is developing industry standards for cybersecurity. International maritime organizations are creating regulations requiring cybersecurity measures. The proactive approach protects ships and cargo from emerging cyber threats. The regulatory landscape for autonomous ships remains uncertain. The International Maritime Organization establishes shipping regulations. Current regulations require human officers on all vessels. The SOLAS Convention mandates specific crew requirements. Autonomous vessels would violate current SOLAS requirements. However, the IMO is developing regulations that may permit autonomous operations. Trial voyages are testing autonomous systems in controlled environments. Regulatory approval will likely come gradually, starting with restricted areas. Short-distance autonomous ferry operations may receive approval first. Ocean-going autonomous cargo ships will face more stringent requirements. The transition to autonomous shipping will require coordinated international regulatory changes. The process will take years or decades to complete. Environmental benefits from AI optimization are increasingly important. Reduced fuel consumption decreases carbon emissions per container transported. Optimization of engine parameters reduces emissions from maritime shipping. The maritime industry contributes approximately 3% of global carbon emissions. The shipping industry is under pressure to reduce environmental impact. AI-assisted fuel optimization helps shipping companies meet environmental targets. International regulations increasingly mandate carbon emissions reductions. The International Maritime Organization (IMO) 2050 strategy requires emissions reductions. AI technology helps shipping companies comply with environmental regulations. The environmental benefits provide additional justification for AI investments. Shipping companies attract environmentally conscious customers by demonstrating emissions reductions. Cost efficiency represents the primary driver of maritime AI adoption. AI systems reduce operational costs in multiple ways. Fuel savings from optimized routing represent the largest financial benefit. Predictive maintenance reduces unexpected repair expenses. Reduced insurance premiums reflect lower risk profiles of AI-optimized vessels. Labor cost efficiency improves through automation of routine decision-making. The cumulative financial benefits often exceed AI system costs within 2 to 3 years. Large shipping companies with high voyage frequencies achieve faster payback periods. Medium and small operators require longer to achieve return on investment. The economics favor rapid adoption of AI technology across the industry. Financial pressure ensures continued investment in maritime AI development. The timeline for fully autonomous commercial shipping remains uncertain but accelerating. Short-distance autonomous operations may begin within 5 years in limited areas. Regional autonomous ferry services could launch in the next decade. Autonomous ocean-going cargo ships face longer timelines for regulatory approval. Some industry experts predict commercial autonomous ocean shipping within 15 years. Others estimate it will take 20 to 30 years for full autonomous adoption. The uncertainty reflects the complexity of regulatory, technical, and safety challenges. However, the financial incentives ensure continuous progress toward autonomy. Shipping companies are preparing for autonomous operations through gradual automation increases. The transition will not be sudden but rather a gradual evolution. Human operators will remain involved in maritime operations for decades. If you're fascinated by the artificial intelligence revolution transforming maritime shipping and want to understand how autonomous vessels will reshape global trade, subscribe to the channel for more content exploring emerging maritime technologies. We regularly cover cutting-edge technologies changing industrial operations worldwide. Understanding maritime AI development provides insight into broader automation trends across industries. Your subscription supports content exploring how technology transforms established industries and work. Thank you for watching and for your interest in understanding how modern ships are getting smarter through artificial intelligence.